right, y'all. So we are doing. All right, y'all. So we are making macaroni and cheese in the microwave. We saw it on the Eielson USO page, so that's why we want to do it. The first 2 times that we did it, it was salty. Like I put way too much salt in it. So, but it turned out good. We did 4 ounces of macaroni and cheese, which don't ask me how much that is but we just did 2 of these little 2 of these little cups of macaroni elbows. And like the first time I just kind of poured the salt in the cup, but the second time I just put like a very little bit at the bottom of this and mixed it in with the water and poured it in. And what else? Oh, we did 6 ounces of water. So 3 of these of water. And then we heat it in the microwave. So we do it for 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Take it out, stir it, and then heat it up again for 3 minutes and 30 seconds. And we are using these coffee cups. These kind of like they're the hot cups. And one actually just got done, so just give me 1 second and you will see. We did 3 minutes 30 seconds the first time. This is the second time it's coming out the microwave. We did another 3 minutes 30 seconds. So 7 minutes altogether. As you can see, there's no water left over. And let me see. And so for our cheese, we do cream cheese and the shredded cheese in it. Cream cheese, put in there. Trim, can you come hold this? My phone. Y'all know hush. Just mix this up till it's melted.
That looks so good. I'll tell you that. That smells like it's burning up.
Nope, not burning. And then we just get about a scoop full of shredded cheese. And just dump it in there.
These are on the floor.
Yeah, those are your stickers. And just mix it up a little bit. So you want to mix the cheese first to make sure it's melted before you add the milk. Alright, so now, did we already put the milk back in the fridge? Where'd that go? It ain't right here. Yeah. I thought I didn't either. So then I just kind of pour some milk in there. Not a lot.
I have to move the camera a little bit.
And so now, just mix it up to the milk.
That was 2 minutes. I'm telling you the truth, that looks so good.
Alright, and there you have it. Microwave mac and cheese.
Made by
Mac and cheese.
Mom.
Mac and cheese God.
I'll give that one a plus. Y'all need your mac and cheese down. So y'all know me. I gotta be just a tad bit extra when I do my stuff. So I put mine in my little toaster oven. Most people know we're living out of the hotel because we're in the middle of PCS, and because of this coronavirus, Cardi B make me want to say yeah, she be saying it, but I ain't gonna do that. Ain't gonna do it. But anyways, so I put mine in our toaster oven because I wanted to like regular mac and cheese, how I like my mac and cheese baked. And I will show y'all what it's looking like because I'm about to pull it out. All right, so here you have it. My baked macaroni and cheese from the microwave. Oh, and my little toaster oven I got it from the PX for 20 bucks. And it made me some baked mac and cheese. And this is like a serving size for myself, so. Y'all. This is so good.
Mom. I need something.
Y'all need to try it. Don't knock it till you try it. It's so good. So good.